Hello students. The last important element about growing your channel is to make sure that your content is having some kind of proof that it is owned by you and it is even branding your company or organization. For example, this particular channel has this icon or ideally the brand logo as a watermark on the right hand side. Thus, anyone downloading the video will also get that logo being seen. So, this logo is appearing at the end of this video, and there is a method by which we can add this logo even to our videos. For doing the same in your Creator Studio, go to the channel tab under which there is the tab of branding. In branding, you will see this page where it will ask you to add a watermark if you have not already added it. So once you click on it, it will ask you to choose a file. For example purpose, I am choosing the image which we had created previously in Paint and I'll save it. Once it is saved, it will tell that the watermark is uploaded. Then it will ask you when do we want the watermark to appear, either at a particular time, either at end of the video, or either throughout the video. As a startup point, it would be better to have the watermark throughout the video. So you choose depending on your thought and click on the update button. Once it is updated, now you can check your video and you will find that watermark appearing at the bottom left corner, and whenever someone takes their mouse nearby to it, they will know about your channel name as well as the subscribers to your channel. So in this method, your video remains protected, and this element will also help people to know more about your brand, to subscribe to your channel, and eventually grow the same. That's the process of watermarking. Thanks a lot for your time.